In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 VR headsets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best VR headsets. The 5th product on our list is the HTC Vive Cosmos. VR headsets are great because they capture all of your senses in such an intuitive way, engaging your eyes, ears, and body simultaneously. This adds together to make an experience far more immersive than simply looking at a screen. This new Vive Cosmos Elite is an upgraded version of their frontline product. Right off the bat, it performs well, managing 1440 by 1700 pixels per eye for a total of 2880 by 1700 pixels overall, which is pretty outstanding for any VR headset. This headset has a few other things to offer as well. It sports a sturdy headband with a manageable size adjustment wheel and a very convenient flip-up visor. What this means is you don't have to take it off when you need to see the real world. Moreover, as standard, the Vive Cosmos boasts several cameras intended to assist with the inside-out tracking feature. Also, they can be used for a pass-through view, helping you to see the world around you too. Additionally, this device has pretty decent padding and is well balanced, making the Elite much easier to wear and far more comfortable to game with for hours on end before you need a break. What's more, the innovative flip-up integrated headphones also help keep things cool and remove the need for extra wires for a different pair of headphones or a gaming headset. Some VR headsets have trouble differentiating the controllers from the surroundings, and the result is frustratingly inaccurate hand tracking. The Cosmos Elite eliminates this problem using the external tracking faceplate, making the headset compatible with the Vive base stations. This is a good solution, but it's worth noting the downside of this is you need space to set up these trackers. The base stations of these trackers have to be positioned in opposite corners of a room and be above head height. The mounts are included, so you can install them in a room, put them on a tripod, or carefully balance them on a shelf, but only then can you plug into your PC or console and get ready to game. Finally, the Vive Cosmos replaces the LED ring controllers in favor of the older wireless Vive controllers, which offer better battery life, higher accuracy tracking, and a more comfortable fit in your hand. Its pros are: it has an HD display, it uses a convenient flip-up faceplate, and its controllers last longer than other makes. However, its cons are: it needs to be plugged in via micro USB to allow firmware updates, and it takes a long time to set up. The HTC Vive Cosmos is a neat product that is definitely an improvement from the last model. It's perfect for the casual gamer wanting a VR experience. Up next in 4th place is the CXKBK. Unlike other products on this list, the CXKBK is a headset with no electronic components whatsoever. It is essentially a mechanical holder for a smartphone, meaning it's far more affordable and has less to go wrong, although it's also more limited in its capability. This device works using its 2 adjustable lenses that allow each eye to see only the image that is intended for each corresponding eye. So as long as your phone fits into the holder, these stereographic images will work perfectly for gaming and watching movies. Moreover, like other virtual reality headsets, this one works best when your eyes are properly aligned with the screen box. Furthermore, this device is able to boast complete HD optimization and 3D gaming support, allowing you to put yourself right into the action with games, movies, and more. These VR glasses can fit most non-curved smartphones with screen sizes from 4.7 to 6.53 inches. They are compatible with iPhone X all the way to the 5 and SE range. If you're not an Apple user, don't worry, because this headset also works perfectly with the Samsung Android Galaxy J3 up to the S10 range. Moreover, as eye alignment is so important, this 3D headset offers focal distance adjustments to increase the viewing angle and correctly match focal distance and unilateral myopic alignment for reduced distortion. This means you get a higher clarity image that feels more real. Moreover, this device is straightforward to set up and use. Just download and play VR apps from Google Play or the Apple Store. you will easily find in excess of 300 apps, including YouTube, VR, and full drive. Once you have the software you want downloaded, just insert your cell phone into the 3D virtual headset, put the device on your head, and adjust the headband and focal distance to fit. Within a few seconds, you'll feel like you're in a private 3D IMAX theater and be able to fully enjoy a realized virtual reality world. Lastly, this company offers a 365 days free warranty and 24-hour customer service support for your peace of mind. Its pros are: it's very simply made with no electronic components, it's easy to set up, and it is compatible with most smartphones. However, the cons are: it is not capable of linking with higher-end VR equipment, and it relies entirely on your mobile device to work. The CXKBK is a very simple way to get a VR experience at a low cost. It's ideal for those just wanting to try it out and perhaps watch some films in 3D. Still haven't found a VR headset that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Oculus Rift S. The powerful and refined VR headset works in tandem with PCs to deliver an immersive virtual reality experience. It connects to your PC using a USB 3.0 port and the DisplayPort connection, and is tethered to the machine by a long cable that's more than enough to support the room-scale experiences that the Rift S is capable of delivering. Before you can use a high-performance VR headset, you need to pair it with a high-end system. With the Oculus Rift S, you need a computer that at least runs on a GTX 1060 or RX 480 GPU and i3 600 Ryzen 5 or greater processor. This is because your whole experience relies on the smoothness for immersion. If you pair the headset with subpar hardware, you're likely to end up with severe lag that can cause motion sickness and ruin your fun. Much like other VR headsets on this list, the Rift S utilizes two goggle-like lenses in front of your eyes to give you a stereoscopic 3D view of the world you're placed inside. Moreover, a succession of sensors then calculate your real-world movements and translate them instantly into in-game movements. For example, if you turn your head left and the digital world moves with it, crouch down and the in-game floor draws closer in real time. This gives you a fantastic, almost sci-fi-like experience, especially if the interactive world around you is an interesting one. Additionally, one of the most notable aspects of the Rift S is its use of RGB stripe display, where its pixels are all aligned in a perfect grid, and the gaps in between are eliminated, which was one of the issues concerning the previous generation. This improved display ultimately presents sharper images and better immersion levels by offering a higher pixel density, eliminating jagged lines. Another thing worth mentioning is that the Rift S doesn't require external sensors to get a quality room-scale experience. Instead, it uses Oculus Insight that scans your surroundings and builds a 3D map of the playspace. By doing so, it lets the system identify the headset's position in space once every millisecond. Lastly, this device takes advantage of pass-through plus technology and utilizes asynchronous space warp, providing a better view of the physical world around you. Its pros are: it's made to suit indoor spaces. It processes and presents in-game information quickly for a better experience. And it uses pass-through technology, so you're not totally disconnected from the real world. However, it can suffer from stability issues when being used to play games via Steam VR. The Oculus Rift S works well and has many neat features. It's ideal for those already in the Oculus ecosystem that want an upgrade. The second product on our list is the Oculus Quest 2. If you want to venture into VR technology but don't have a system for it, then the Oculus Quest is your best bet. As a standalone headset, the Oculus Quest is an all-in-one VR gaming system that lets you play anywhere, anytime. This device brings you easy access to everything that makes virtual reality worthwhile and can deliver high-quality VR experiences straight to your front room with minimal setup. In terms of performance, it is pretty much on par with any smartphones running on Snapdragon 835, such as Google Pixel 2, Razer Phone, and Galaxy S8. It also features spatial audio that aims sound at your ears via hidden holes in the headband. Furthermore, it supports the use of 3.5mm input headphones, which is a good thing if you want a full stereo audio experience. The Quest 2 allows you to step inside the gaming world and access 360-degree video content and apps covering all genres. This is an immersive gadget that even the most tech-shy members of your family can have fun with. There are hundreds of separately sold games available and some free ones, which all work with this headset. This includes everything from shooters to puzzle games, fitness titles, and meditation apps. There is truly something for everyone. One of the best features of the Oculus Quest is the use of an OLED display with 72Hz and 1440p native resolution. It brings you an accurate-to-life color reproduction, clear, crisp images, and smoother gameplay. And to make the experience more immersive, the unit is paired with two Oculus Touch controllers, enabling your hands and gestures to appear in-game with intuitive and realistic precision. Should you have a decent spec gaming PC, you can even tether your headset to virtual reality experiences powered by your computer. All it takes is plugging a high-speed USB 3.0 cable into your headset, setting up the PC-based Oculus launcher, and installing it on your computer. This greatly increases the number of games and apps available to Oculus Quest 2 users. What's more, using a PC to power the VR experience allows it to work almost as well as the Rift, but with less setup. Its pros are: it requires minimal effort to get working, it is very user-friendly, and it's compatible with PCs. However, it requires a Facebook account in order to use it. The Oculus Quest 2 is a very straightforward to use product that's great for the whole family to use on a game night. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top VR headset is the Sony PlayStation VR. If you want an excellent virtual reality experience without needing to buy an expensive gaming PC, the Sony PlayStation VR is most definitely the product for you. Like other virtual reality headsets on this list, the PlayStation VR system works to completely immerse you in a video game by creating two images simultaneously and then transferring them to a headset a few feet away. However, unlike competing devices that require expensive graphics cards to work, this VR can do it using only the PlayStation 4's built-in GPU. This is a considerable bonus, providing high value for money. The way this device achieves this is through using the PlayStation's camera to track 9 different points of light on the headset, in addition to the lights on either the Move or the DualShock 4 controllers, depending on which game you're playing. And considering that it's only using a single camera to track what's happening, it's surprisingly accurate. Furthermore, the PlayStation VR can handle 1080p games on its 920 by 1080 OLED display at either a 90Hz or 120Hz per second refresh speed, depending on the VR game or application. This gives you a smooth and high-definition picture. Moreover, if you're concerned about latency, Sony says that PlayStation VR's response rate is locked in at around 18 milliseconds. This is essentially the same speed as the Oculus, but Sony has one big advantage over the other brands. They're already a big game publisher, which means that unlike with other VR devices that require additional software and developer permissions, you already get access to a vast range of AAA class games straight from PlayStation. There's a lot of variety and depth to PSVR's growing gaming catalog, from shooters to puzzlers, platformers to narrative adventures. Finally, this product is also one of the easiest to set up. Just plug the PlayStation VR headset and your PlayStation camera into your PlayStation 4 system, and you're ready to have an immersive virtual reality experience. Its pros are: it doesn't require an expensive gaming rig to run. It is capable of utilizing PlayStation's massive range of games, and it is straightforward to start using. However, it can't track a lot of movement well, so most games must be played standing in one spot. The Sony PlayStation VR is an affordable way to get a virtual reality experience. It's recommended for anyone wanting a system without a lot of hassle or expense. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.